which COVID-19 has brought us for good is that, with coming of COVID-19, a lot of people have also openly started discussing and talking about mental health issues, not just depression, but other mental health issues which people were facing earlier too, which earlier they were shy and reluctant to openly talk about, but now, with a large part of the world and large part of India openly talking about depression and other such mental health issues, a lot of people have started opening up and have started discussing it in open forums, in families, in organizations. So do you think that COVID-19 in that area has helped people open up about their feelings and their emotions?
We are into 2020. There are many people who don't admit depression as a disease, and
Absolutely.
even parents don't understand that this is also considered as a disease. इसके लिए भी एक doctor होता है. For them also need a medicine. They need a journey.
They always say you are strong enough to handle it. You are you can do it. This is a problem, but inner part they want some help.
Though a person is within the family, the other family members don't know that they are into depression.
So, taking the last question forward, what do you believe is the role of organization like yours, ADD, and organization like other civil societies to bust those myths surrounding depression and other mental health issues?
If you are not, if you have a group of 4 friends, if your friends are knowing each other, they are knowing ups and downs, and if they are spending some real time, so your friend never goes into depression. They can speak, they can talk, and if it is so, then there is no problem of there is no point of coming up depression such thing. There is no organization will come like us to do such activities. If we put an ear, or if we give an ear to our friend to listen to the problems, then it will be a great thing. There are some symptoms, like you can check your friends, like if they are isolated, if they are avoiding you, if they are you're not replying in your group chats, or they are not trying to be social.
Happy.
Yeah. Sometimes they suddenly become happy, sometimes they become sad, or sometimes though they are sitting in the group, they feel themselves isolated. These are some symptoms which are the basic symptoms. When you notice this one, you can speak to them. And still, if you don't come out of that environment, then we are always there, which you can call us, chat, you can have a chat with us, you can write a mail to us, or even you can directly call us and know or tell your problem. You can hide your identity and you can take
So I think with that, what is your final message that you'd like to send to all viewers watching this program?
Firstly, I would like to thank the national for bringing such event, like where you are helping us to reach the normal people or the society, that today we have to discuss depression or admit depression as a disease, and you have to talk about it and you have to work upon it. There are many doctors, there are many organizations, like one of them is like ADT. You can talk to us, you can call us, and we are there, we are listening.
Depression is not a shy thing. You can come out and share it. It will be easy for you.
So if any of our viewers or if any listening to this program wants to contact the anti-depression team, which is very, very actively working, not only in Surat but also across India, I would like to ask you, how would these people get in touch with you?
They can call us at 9429401100. That is also a WhatsApp number. You can write mail or speak to adt@gmail.com, where ADT speak to it is a number, and you can even connect us on Instagram @speak to ADT, and you can write on Facebook also ADT_anti-depression team, or speak to ADT @gmail.com. Thank you.